Hello sports fans, Commander Duke 1 here, and today we're going to open up another 1989 Topps Rack Pack. Looks like we got Bobby Doerr, All-Star card on the front, got a Greg Swindell, and a Astros Leaders card. Let's break into them and see what we get. And on the All-Star section, like I said, we got the Bobby Doerr All-Star. And we start off with a Doyle Alexander, Bruce Fields, got a Jack Clark, Steve Buscemi, Len Dykstra, got a Russ Nixon, Manny Lee, Les Straker, Rick Mahler, Mike LaVallerie, Dwight Evans, got a Charlie Pulio, a Tony Fernandez, and a Dave Stieb. All right, let's break into that second section. We got the Greg Swindell. Oh, and Mike Schmidt. Very nice. Jack McDowell. Got a Terry Taylor. Got a Jim Pangovitz. Jeff Reed. And we got a Darryl Strawberry. Very nice. Andy Van Slyke. And a Dave Schmidt. Storm Davis. Juan Agosto. Rich Gedman. Got a Danny Tartabull. And a Bill Pecota. And in that last section, like I said, I got the Astros Leaders card. And we got a Ken Phelps, a Tom Bernanski, and of course, the Gary Sheffield rookie card that I always get every time. I swear to God. Ken Oberkefell, Dwayne Brace, got the Phillies Leaders, Randy Kramer, Greg Gagne, Fred Tolliver, and we got the Greg Olson rookie card again. I'm just adamant about getting these. Dave Otto, Padres Leaders card, and Ken Patterson to finish it off. Please subscribe for more content. Give me a like and a follow. And leave me a comment on a player that I pulled that you enjoyed seeing or remember playing. Thanks for watching.